Happy Friday, everybody! Welcome to this week's STEAM activity. My name is Kinsey and I work at the Boyle County Public Library. This week, we're going to be making fireworks in a jar. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, you'll need a jar. It can be any glass jar. I'm using an old sauce jar from where I made spaghetti the other night, and I just peeled off the wrapper, so it can be any sort of glass jar. You can also probably use a glass cup. Just make sure it's a little bit tall so you can see the firework reaction once we make it. Then you'll need to fill your jar with water, about 3/4 of the way full with warm water. You'll also need a fork, a bowl, some food coloring of any colors that you like, and also some oil. Hopefully these are items that you can find around your house, so I'll let you gather those and then come back and watch the rest of this video. Alright, now let's get started. So first, take your oil and your bowl, and you're going to want to put oil just in the very bottom of your bowl. It doesn't have to be very much, just as long as it fills up the bottom. Next, you'll take your food coloring, and you don't need very much or it'll cloud the jar too much, so just a few drops. I'll do 3 drops of green. I'm running low on my food coloring, so we'll see if I can get any out of my red. Not that red. Try one more. If not, I'll just have green fireworks. Alright, looks like we're just gonna have green fireworks this time. Sorry about that, everybody. I have to get some more food coloring for next time. Then you'll take your fork and you'll mix up your drops a little bit. So now you should have a lot of little drops. Okay. The next step will be pouring the oil with the food coloring into your jar. So let me get you a better view so you can watch the fireworks happen. Okay, here we go. We'll take our oil, make sure the droplets are still nice and mixed up, and we'll pour it into our jar of water very gently to hopefully make some fireworks. As the food coloring reacts with the water, it will burst and make some fun-looking fireworks for you. I hope you enjoyed my green fireworks in a jar today. I can't wait to see what color fireworks in a jar you all make at home. Don't forget to share with the library any videos or pictures you have from your STEAM activity. I hope you had a great time this video, and I'll see you again next week. Bye everybody!